all the way to the 88th floor, and that elevator really makes your ears pop. But we are up really, really high up, and I'll show you the view here just a moment. We are above the cloud line right now. So I'm here at one of Taipei's most iconic buildings in recent years, Taipei 101, for Fractal Design special event. And, you know, this seems like a lofty space, very elegant. You'll probably see soon enough why they picked it. It is keeping in theme with at least one of the products that's being launched. All right, so a couple of new products launching. Number one is the Mood.
Small form factor case keeps cool and quiet even under heavy use. We can, without any tools, remove the entire exterior hull of the case, granting immediate access to start your build. This is how we want to innovate for the user to create an ease of access to enjoy your gaming experience.
This is the Mood here. I do have this one in for testing already. This is the first images that we could show you here. The front panel I/O on the bottom. It integrates very seamlessly into like a home theater environment, or just a kind of refined looking space. Almost like a little speaker here. A case fan that comes pre-installed at the top for a chimney style of airflow. You have this circular ventilation at the back here. You see the cables running out the bottom. This is the case with the exterior shell removed. Very big case fan here at the top. Rad section here will support up to a 280. And that card is going to be mounted here at the side. I guess there's not really a front or side to this. It's going to be at the back, really, compared to where the I/O is. And it'll take pretty long GPUs. To 325 millimeters in length. That card is connected by a riser cable here that'll wrap around the spine. So that riser cable here, this is the bottom of the ITX motherboard. Power supply is going to sit up here with the cables exiting out there. And your rad will be flush up against that power supply along with the rad fans. Shell here. It's got a cloth outer, which I do have in for testing already, so we'll hope to see coverage of that on June 18th. The other item is the Era 2, which is a new case, a reprise of an old case, but supposedly very much improved. Also takes a 280.
Layout with a movable spine and a PCI extender as seen in the Fractal Terra. To allow for maximum performance, we increase the perforations of the side panels and also fully open up the bottom for maximum airflow. We also increased the radiator support. Now we allow up to 280 millimeter radiator in the top, which has a very good cooling performance. You can easily access the case by using the bottom filter to unlock the exterior panels. And with one sliding motion, we have access to the case.
It's the Era 2. Back panel of the Era 2.
Hi, how are you?
And this is what they were showing here. If you remove this here, okay, that's the dust filter here. That is the inside, the red tray here. And then we have the back connect version of the Fractal North. Actually, a similar case, just going to be reconfigured on the inside. They also showed two new products here, which is the gaming chair that they have, the Refine, and the headset, wireless gaming headset called Scape. So we got the Alcantara version. It's a little bit more for the price. Try this chair out. It's actually amazingly supportive here. The headrest feels very good. Wow. The very supportive. I think this is going to do really well. Escape. Really nice looking. It comes with the charging stand as well.
Yeah, exactly. So these are the EQ settings.
So I hope you enjoy the coverage here. Lots of new things up on the horizon. Very neat, different, stylish aesthetic from Fractal. And appreciate your coming along with me. Please make sure you subscribe for our continued Computex 2024 coverage. Please give a like, and thanks for watching. Tempter right now. I do have to get this content up. If you haven't been to this place, this is probably the crown jewel. If you wait is not bad. It's actually only an hour, 60 minutes. So, you know, maybe some other time.